Welcome to hpmtech home funded and scholarship 2021 2022 and scholarship in Canada candidate internship with art artists in the 2022 summit application Canada summary internship without alerts in the 2022 submit applications. No ideas Canada internship submit and complete application part summary internship Canada and internet visitor description. A summary its times and every summary break and do something in product visitor rewarded optimization and finishing in the Canada offer internship program without Alex in source student enrollment undergrad and posting programming in the Canada University of College. Drive deep your force medical engineer free stop is self assessment test joining in the online campaigns 13 scholarship test at 26 March in 2022 so called in starting looking submit and Canada internship programming learn improve rotate and create a skill exchange when the new workspace and the instrument make in earning holidays. This internship programming pay gaming charger changer in the student life and become get ideas in the CVC as such internship offer are often in the paid and help covers load financial and branded plug game changing in the meet and work highly in qualification professional and under big names. Internship program donation iPad unpaid program basic in particular field work and released in the choose great internship programming are especially designation for new and the make our and professional fit in that with short program. Benefit of doing internet internship in Canada and students offer enjoy summer break distinguished home drawing in nothing watching movies on other hands and a few people think in the internship and are about all coffees offering a notable company optimization first step toward this in career academic growth following this and the benefit of trying internship during in summers break changing in the built network and the content explore destination changing build a network connected and explore this way professional work instrument optimize and learn professional and apply theoretical and particulars on hand and amount money and plus college credit house and improvement ideas and written reviews the changing great jobs and office here and posting in direct internship program adapt and learn in technical and analytic skill needed professional careers. Last and less Canada optimization and following the optimization and summer internship in student Canada. Next week Canada internship audience and internship protect information technology internship Bill and Canada internship protect internship head in that's Toyota Canada internship McDonald's internship and Pay Bank and Canada internship inter internship and she access internship programming air mails and Canada internship McDonald's and delivery internship Canada internship programming. National Bank of Canada internship Halifax and Canada internship Airport Authority internship Canada Plate internship and Fort Canada internship Tulsa Canada Help internship and Buchan Canada Interstate and Help. Next in Canada Visitor and Foundation Programming Fund 4 months Canada and training Bachelor of Master degrees can apply. This full name or part-time internship programming hours in Nursery Canada internship latest requirement. The aeropersonal and traveling network application and are available all youngest and past secondary students we went to this in career too and paid programming this teach in skills needed TV broadcasting and industry viewers and vaccine and field technology. The meet requirement in apply Canada most enrollment and joining tradition and bachelor program in Alex source and note battery and the protect and camber information technology internship required and head field and information sons and betas Bells Canada internship available student enrollment and second parts and degrees in financial and programming lot rewarded and Bell Canada internship program requirements student enrollment bachelor of degree under the business. Speaking skills hours and connection. How much in internship available? Enrollment suggest create ideas and movers degree international professional with marketing in sales streams hit offer 6 month internship program the base 2 hours and source requirement Toyota Canada internship this Toyota company optimization Canada has many career optimization can put up in summary hours programming paid. and requirement submit Canada Bachelor of Degree Business Administration and joined public relation in the last Canada with 16 hours role Bank Canada internship the BBC offering full-time intro to developer internship Canada will get changing explore 10 host engine internship wing. Once the firms and companies Canada has engine offering dozing in summer internship qualified students enrollment department and which eligible such international Canada must end offer website and in the maximum audience requirement are not in the HEX internship initial assisted program shall and looking Canada 12-month always in from guide detection. Canada was also rewarded airmails and Canada internship student with and holidays product which sold and data sensitive posted current picture of degrees. Other hand nothing in requirement the bank and monitors and the NF and Canada International Airport and authorize big members and encourage government Canada and hosting some education and 2 to 6 month programming and like subscribe press the bell icon for latest mission update. Thanks for watching. The scholarship was great and dress in fashion shall be available.